Hello, hello, hello. I'm Alucard Night Raven. Welcome to my channel and welcome to my next Transformers Legacy review. Today I'm looking at Armada Universe Starscream, and this is a pretty cool figure. It's a nice little update. There's a few things I kind of wish they hadn't done or would have done somewhat differently, but it's not bad of an update of the Armada Starscream, which was a neat mold in itself. But let's take a look at our packaging first. And of course our normal legacy packaging. Got an image of him in his jet mode, Transformers Legacy, Voyager class. On this side you can see a great image up close of his robot mode, and then full robot mode. On this side, our normal image that we have. On the top, Transformers Legacy. On the bottom, our barcode, a bunch of different words. And on the back, our product shots, along with this QR code. If you want to use that, go ahead. And our warning, do not eat anything in this packaging. And yeah, and that is it for that packaging. So set that off to the side. Come down, and there you can see Starscream. The only accessories he comes with is two swords, and we got this one, which with the original part of, I think it was this wing in robot mode, would come out, unfold, and it was his wing sword, or with this all they did was just mold it in sword form, and that was it. And then we've got the Star Saber, and you can see how they molded in the details of the jets, which is very cool. And then all this painted in blue. Again, not too bad. Now storage, what the packaging shows is on the bottom. You can see some ports down here for these posts to plug into, and you just plug them in. Get them in. Come on. There. Almost got it. I think I missed the hole. There we go. There's that one, and then this one. And that's our weapon storage. It's okay. But for now, what I'm going to do is going to pull them off and set them off to the side, and we'll save them for robot mode. But here you can see that shape of his jet mode from Armada. Very cool. Looks really good. And they even added in, and this is one problem I have, is this backside doesn't really like tab in strong enough, but I'll just kind of hold it. But you can flip these forward, and there's his cannons that would flip out when you attached Swindle, the race car, onto him on the original, and it flipped those out. So kind of cool they added that. But yeah, some nice details. Here you can see the cockpit done in a darker blue, got the red, gray Decepticon symbols on the wings, got his rear wings, some black in there. It looks really good. It is not too bad at all. I like it. It's a nice little update. Yes, the original is bigger, but the original was more limited on what it could do for articulation in robot mode. So, like I said, nice little update. It's a bummer that it's smaller, but hey, I mean, Transformers keep getting smaller and smaller as we keep moving forward, so unfortunately. But yeah, very cool. And there's the bottom of the jet. Here's the top. You can see there's his head, just like on the original. It just sort of like, no, the face isn't sticking out, it's just there. So yeah, so again, very cool. Not too bad at all. Can kind of move it any way you wish, But yeah. So that's going to be it for jet mode. So we'll get him into robot mode. Raise you up so you can see what I'm doing. What we're going to do is going to pull down on this. And then pull down on these and just move them out of the way. And there's tabs, sort of tabs in lightly on the back there. And then these right in here kind of wrap around this so it all holds together. So with this, it's this tabs in on the bottom here, but it's not as tight as it should be. Not really sure why, but yeah. So what we want to do is want to untab everything and sort of bring this one out, and then we can bring this one out. We're going to rotate everything here and here. Now what we want to do is want to close these up and in just like that. Then we can rotate the feet, flip out the heel on both of them. Same thing here. Rotate, flip out the heel. Come on. Come on. Come on. This one's a little bit tougher on it for me. Come on. All right. There we go. All right, and there's the legs done. Now what we'll do is we'll bring it forward. You can see what that does. That brings the head up. So when you bring it forward, pops that head up. Then bring this down, and this tab right here is going to plug in right there. Get it positioned just right. Fold in these pieces. We're almost done. This will come down, just sort of plug in like that. And then you can keep these like this if you want, but you could. But what they also do with the instructions is bring this all down like this. You can have it like this. We want to rotate the wings. We want to push in here, and that's till it clicks. So you can see it's on a slider in there. So for vehicle mode, you want it here. For robot mode, you want it here. Then we're going to open up these panels, bring out the fists, close them back up. Almost done. Same thing on this side. So now one thing I want to show is when you bring this up, you can keep, like I said, you can keep it like this, and then when this comes down, this will tab in here and it'll lock it into place. So you can have it like the original toy was with these like this. And then we'll flip these forward, and there's the weapons. So there is that option, and that's pretty cool. I might go that route, I'm not sure, but yeah, then the other option is you just bring this, whoops, make sure you don't untab that, just bring this up, and then you can rotate the whole thing down. You can have it a little more what's a good word for it, not quite as sticking out, a little skinnier. I don't know, there's the word for it is escaping me right now, unfortunately. One of them moments where I'm not feeling very smart. But let's take a look at that head. Very Starscream-esque head, especially his Armada head. Looks very nice. Gotta love them orange eyes. That white face, a little bit of white here and here. And then the black surrounding it, and there's a little bit of color. I think it's a bluish, it's looking like. Then all the red and black just looks really good. Then his legs all looks really nice. Really loving that. I like this figure. It's a great update. I hope we get more Armada universe figures, like with the entire legacy, and then whatever comes after all three versions, or because with War for Cybertron we had Siege, Earthrise, and Kingdom, and now we've got Legacy, Evolution, and then whatever comes after Evolution. But whatever is going to be after that third, I hope they continue doing universe style figures. Give us updates. Like, I'm absolutely loving these updates, so I'm hoping for more. I would love to see Megatron get one, the Demolisher, the Cyclonus from there, Optimus, Red Alert, Hotshot, some of the others, Sideways. It would just be so cool getting more updates on these figures. So absolutely loving it. Absolutely loving it. Still hoping for more Prime Universe. Would love to see them do an update with the Prime Universe Optimus. We got Knockout, so I would love to see his partner. Why am I forgetting his name? Oh my gosh. Again, had his breakdown. Would love to see a Prime Universe breakdown. But articulation with this guy, I'm getting off on a tangent. Head is on a ball joint, can rotate, can look up that far. He can do the whole, almost like he's flying Superman style at you. He can look down that far. Arms can do full 360. The wings do get in the way. Can come up that far. We have bicep swivel. We have double jointed elbows, so he gets full rotation on that. And I think, nope, nothing at the wrist. We've got waist, but it is hindered by this, so if you lift this up you can rotate it more, but otherwise it does get hindered. Legs, kick forward that far, kick back that far. We have over the full Van Damme, so really good on that. We've got thigh. Knee is over 90. The foot can move up, down, and we've got ankle pivot both ways. So that much that way and that much that way. So pretty decent. Pretty decent amount of articulation. It's definitely a good, like I said, I like this figure. I think it is a great update personally. Yes, he's a little small, but I'm fine with that. And of course he can hold his weapons, so we'll give him the Star Saber, and then we'll give him his winged sword. And there he is holding both of those. So yeah, like I said, I think what I'm going to do though, I wish this one was a little bit tighter on holding the get in, but I think I'm gonna keep it like that. I kind of like having that more original style look personally. I love the fact that they gave us that, and I think he looks better personally like that. But again, your figure, however you want to display it, completely up to you. There is no wrong display method. So yeah, so there we have Armada Universe Starscream, and he looks good. I like it. I think it is a great update, as I've said multiple times. Hoping to see more Armada Universe figures in these lines. I'm absolutely loving the updates on the other universes, and I hope they'll keep it up. I'm loving that we've got G1. I'm loving that we got Armada, Cybertron, Prime Universe, G2 Universe, comic book universe. I mean, absolutely looking forward to, we're getting more Beast Wars characters. I I'm hoping that we see more Transmetals and Transmetal 2s. So, would love to get updates on those figures, those characters as well. So, yeah. As for Armada Universe Starscream, definitely recommend him. Great figure, looks great. Many different display options with, especially with those shoulder cannons, and looks good in both modes. Definitely pulls off that look that the Armada Starscream had, and it works. It works very well. So, yeah, that's going to be it for me. I hope you got some good information out of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I want to say thank you for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you all later.